My beloved friend, 10 minutes before you surrender yourself into sleep tonight, you stand at the doorway of a sacred possibility. In those final moments before rest, when the body becomes still and the mind grows quiet, you can awaken the miraculous self-healing intelligence that God placed within you long before you were born. This healing power does not labor with effort. It works silently, lovingly, while you sleep, repairing, restoring, and renewing your physical temple. Tonight, I shall reveal to you an ancient spiritual science known to saints and yogis that allows divine energy to heal the body from within. It has eased chronic suffering overnight, restored organs thought to be damaged beyond repair, and reversed years of decline, not through force, but through alignment with divine life already flowing through you. This is not imagination, nor blind faith. This is spiritual law. I have witnessed it transform thousands of lives across continents and generations. What I am about to share will permanently change how you see your body and its capacity to heal. You will realize that what humanity calls miraculous healing is not an exception. It is a natural function of a body properly connected to its divine source. When the body remembers its relationship with God, healing becomes as natural as breathing. In the time we share together, you will learn the most powerful healing method I have ever known. It is a simple 10-minute nightly practice that awakens your body's divine healing intelligence and allows it to work while you sleep. You will understand why healing has been incomplete until now, how divine energy flows through physical matter, and how you can consciously guide this healing force to any part of your body that longs for restoration. You will learn how your bedroom can become a healing sanctuary and your sleep a form of divine medicine. Most importantly, you will discover how to cooperate with your body's natural healing rhythm so that transformation occurs effortlessly, often astonishing those who witness your recovery. This teaching does not ask you to reject medical care. It asks you to remember something greater, that within you lives a divine healer capable of working miracles no external medicine can accomplish alone. By tomorrow morning, you may begin to feel the healing power that every human being possesses, yet so few know how to awaken. I know the quiet anguish of watching the body struggle while the soul feels helpless. I know the disappointment of medicines that only mask symptoms, treatments that drain vitality without restoring wholeness, and the heavy words spoken by others, chronic, incurable, age-related. Yet through decades of spiritual inquiry, I discovered a deeper truth. Your body is not a fragile machine destined to decay. It is a divine creation, animated by living spiritual energy. And when you learn to cooperate consciously with this energy, healing ceases to be extraordinary. It becomes natural. This practice costs nothing. It requires no equipment, no initiation, no belief beyond willingness. It works regardless of age, diagnosis, or history, because it is rooted in the same spiritual laws that allowed saints to heal instantly and maintain radiant health throughout long lives of service. Every cell in your body was designed to receive divine healing energy, but this reception occurs only when the inner channels are open. Today, we explore 4 sacred dimensions of divine healing. First, you will understand why healing has been incomplete and how to dissolve the spiritual blocks that restrict your natural healing intelligence. Second, I will guide you through the exact 10-minute practice, the breathing, visualization, prayer, and energy direction that awakens self-repair. Third, you will learn how to program healing during sleep, directing divine energy to specific organs and conditions while the body rests. Finally, you will learn how to live in continuous alignment with healing energy, creating a state of health so stable that illness finds little place to remain. What may surprise you most is this practice does not merely remove disease. It reverses aging, renews vitality, and awakens a quiet radiance that others will notice. Your body becomes younger, stronger, and more luminous, not through struggle, but through remembrance. Perfect health is not a miracle. It is your natural state when body and soul are aligned with divine life. My dear friend, before healing can unfold, you must understand what your body truly is. It is not merely flesh and bone, chemistry and biology. It is divine consciousness condensed into form, a living temple designed to channel God's healing power. Every cell is concentrated divine intelligence temporarily wearing material shape. This is not poetry, it is spiritual science. The same intelligence that created your body is constantly repairing it. Even now, cells are dying and being replaced. The heart beats without command. The immune system protects you unseen. Yet this healing operates at only a fraction of its capacity, not because the body is weak, but because consciousness is divided. Divine energy flows endlessly toward you, just as electricity flows toward a home. Whether the light shines depends on the condition of the wiring. Separation consciousness, the belief that the body is separate from God, creates interference. Victim consciousness makes you passive rather than a co-creator. Limitation consciousness accepts diagnosis as destiny. Fear consciousness tightens the channel through which healing must flow. I once suffered illness despite deep spiritual practice. In meditation, divine guidance revealed the truth. I prayed for healing while secretly believing illness was inevitable. The moment I embraced my body as sacred, healing began. When you move from separation to unity, from fear to faith, healing energy flows freely. Every cell remembers its divine origin. Tonight, when you practice this 10-minute healing, you will cooperate with the intelligence that created you. You will discover that healing is not miraculous, it is normal. Now, let us begin. 1 hour before sleep, withdraw from noise, screens, and worry. Turn the mind gently toward God. 30 minutes before sleep, consecrate your bedroom as a healing temple. Fill it mentally with divine light. Thank your body for its faithful service. Gratitude opens healing channels more quickly than effort ever could. Lie down. Let the spine be straight. Breathe slowly. Inhale divine healing light through the crown of the head. Hold it gently with faith. Exhale illness, pain, and tension. Direct healing energy with precision and love as a surgeon guided by divine intelligence. Visualize healing not as hope, but as happening now. End with gratitude and surrender. Sleep in faith. Then, program healing during sleep. Speak to the subconscious in present truth. Trust divine timing. Release control. Healing continues through the night. Live each day in healing alignment through conscious breathing, grateful eating, loving service, and spiritual awareness. Become a channel of healing for others simply by being aligned with God. My beloved friend, your body longs to heal. Divine energy is already present. Tonight, you will not merely sleep, you will be restored. You will awaken renewed. You will remember who you truly are. Now I ask you gently, what healing miracle is your soul calling forth? Speak it, share it, believe it. Until we commune again in divine love, may your body be a radiant temple of health, and may your life shine with the quiet, unstoppable healing power of awakened consciousness.